Dear viewer, welcome to my channel College Botany. Today we are learning the phytogeographical regions of India as per Chatterjee and Mani. Now in this fourth lecture we will deal the Central India and Deccan Plateau, Malabar region and Andaman region in detail. The eighth biogeographical region of India is Central India and Deccan Plateau. The Central India lies in between Ganges in north and the river Godavari in the south. The next phytogeographical region is Central India and Deccan Plateau. The Central India lies in between river Ganga in the north and river Godavari in the south. This area comprises Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Gujarat and the north of Deccan Plateau. The annual rainfall is 150 to 200 centimeter, showing sal forest, mixed deciduous forest and thorn forest. The vegetation comprises dominance of Tectona grandis, Terminalia, Boswellia, Phalanthus, Mangifera, Baunia, Lagostomia, Dalbergia, Acacia, Butea like plant. The forests in this region have degraded due to large number of human activities and heavy grazing. The Deccan Plateau region comprises whole of southern peninsular India. The rainfall is about 100 centimeter. This region is divided into the Deccan Plateau region comprises whole of southern peninsular India. The rainfall is about 100 centimeter. This region is divided into Deccan Plateau and Coromandel coast. Teak is dominant species in the vegetation. The other species are belonging to genera Hardwickia, Boswellia, Buchnea, the Santalums, Syzygium, Caparis like plants. The vegetation in a dry deciduous forest show presence of Acacia, Prosopis, Euphorbia species. Malabar region lies between Western Ghat and West Coast with part of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala state. This region shows distinct vegetation due to heavy rainfall and good fertile soil. This region shows tropical evergreen forest, mixed deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest and mangrove forest along the coast. The dominant species of Dipterocarpus, Hopia, Calophyllum, Artocarpus, Garcinia, Mangifera, Tectona, Terminalia, Lagerstomia, Dalbergia, Adina, and many species of bamboos. The vegetation also shows dominance of climbers and epiphytes, ferns, etc. The mangrove forest occurs along the coast of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Consists of dominant plants of Rhizophora, Abyssinia, Sonartia, Candelia, Siro, etc. The next phytogeographical region is Andaman region. It includes Andaman and Nicobar as land groups. This is heavy rainfall region. A large number of evergreen forest with trees, epiphytes and mangroves are dominated as floral reach. The orchids and bamboos are also dominated in this area. Mangroves genera like Rhizophora, Abyssinia, Bruguiera, Heritaria, Nympha, Lumnitzera are seen. Many species of Erythrine, Pongamia, Cordia, Terminalia, Diptocarpus, Lagostomia, etc. are found in the Andamans. The conclusion: phytogeography is concerned with all aspects of plant distribution and factors responsible for it. Many factors that governs the composition of entire communities and flora of particular regions.